So it's just really like just a cave. We're just gonna open up and just go right in.
Come on, welcome to Narnia.
Welcome to Narnia. What's going on here? Like, what is this?
That's the waterfall.
This is not a waterfall. What's going on here? Your waterfall has ran dry.
You ran dry.
You ran dry.
I don't run dry.
Are we even gonna see a waterfall today? We made it!
There's other ones if you want to go up. Or we can stay here.
What I like is that we're all by ourselves.
Hell yeah. You know me.
You know, we don't get that very often in Hawaii.
That's why I'm like, South River.
Yeah, we're not gonna name this waterfall because we're keeping this in secret. On this one, the lighting is really good though. I need you to take one for the team and do this. I need more YouTube subscribers. Come on.
You show your boobs this time. I'm cold.
When time shows up, you overboard this waterfall. Oh, this waterfall. You do it every day, reaching out and pulling back from all this waterfall.
I'm Nicole and Lena hanging out on the beach, and look who shows up. Like, seriously, I can't go anywhere. What a beautiful day. Look at this. So here I am on Oahu, down in Ko'olina, right by the Four Seasons. And this is called Secret Beach. And I had to come here because this right here is where Mr. Benoit and I got married. This is our beach, right here.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.